Yami. Are you getting me, my people? Yeah, so, I beg you, they stay abroad. Your pikin, they stay your house. They marry your husband. You are not happy this situation.
Person will not feel happy, say. She dey advise person. No woman wey dey abroad when her daughter with her husband they live with for abroad. You know the Suzy. You see, Anna, instead of you to think how you go take help your grand pikin when they cry follow you. You they push something when not they exist. Now you they go they point out. So she say when she they wear pad, her grand pikin come see and say she they tie pampers. See I tie pampers here. He said the grand pikin say, mommy is wearing pampers. You can see say if it not be pad, because the pikin not waiting be pampers. Suzy too wear like pampers here. Suzy be pampers here. Oh, let's forget about that. Oh, you well, let's analyze a child of a year plus now. I think the child on 2002, 9 born that 2022, 9 born that pikin and be 2023. Is it 2022? 2022, maybe 2 years plus now. She said she dey wear a pad. And she can't wear pad now. The small pikin can't tell mama say, mommy, grandmother is wearing pampers. So mama have a room of book. You don't even see get your own room. Say as you come, this is visitors' room. No visitors' room. Suzy. Now the small pikin now. We don't come out part 2 for the mistake when Suzy make when not take carry pikin go abroad. We not they fight. I come now. Ogugbe ragbi ro. Ogugbe yagbi we dey use am till they block something when we want to talk. So little children. So they don't get television for house. All children they want what you they call on now when they born now. Coco melon. If pikin don't say coco melon. If you say the pikin they sleep, you go wake up. Once you put coco melon for a child, you know they do anything again. You say now suck I put for mouth, you go do all like this. Before you come say. So your pikin, Suzy. Your pikin, you say you they wear pad front of your pikin. So a room will one at this 20th century. You know, you see some mothers when they go greet their daughter, their grandchildren they there. You will say, grandchildren, I will see you later. I want to go and take my bath. The grandchildren will say, okay, mommy, see you later. When you are finished, come and sit with us. You will say, okay. You go leave the children for sitting room. You go take a bath. So, a room with a raw. When I have a pad. Your little grandchild come they see and say, "Would you pampers?" Hey, now wow.
Situation. You don't want the marriage to stay long. You are making that daughter open eye. Our major.
Person will not be advising daughter like they advise. Even this, for example, say a woman carry her daughter come Europe. Her daughter with her son-in-law, they say house with them. They are still better than you. When your pikin in Nigeria, let's say for example, not be say they happen, you know they happen. You just want to put them for word. Now your own self, you they tell people so. Yes. Now your own self, now they tell people. Happy to you too, my personal. I swear, how you say happy Sunday to you too, my love. Now people where you say you know carry pikin come abroad though. You say wait, make I play that part for you before I will stroke go the place when I for stop. I stop for 9 something.
Thank you. You can imagine the jeje where they use me to do say. I got the no carry picky con. Where got the no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e wepo on e negbe a.
We mwere. Omo na mu ye webo, Aremie Okiave Street is better. Is better. If they walk out for street, is better than the Nigeria is useless. Wemwere. Aya, let's go there.
Os oma ona do me wenye mo da fin e ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e wepo on e negbe a.
Wow, and then you carry picky con. Wow, and then you carry. You forget a picky con on school. On school, no gog. You forget a picky con. She can lie. People don't know Suzy finished. For all your life, you don't as a whole. She too talk lie. That is the problem she has. She lied too much. I don't know who she they talk to. Whether my daughter she they talk to. I pray. I declare. I remove that any daughter when they your platform, when they get children for Nigeria, may God not let them end up like you. Nothing when you feel talk. So this is nothing when you feel talk. As that blogger they talk. Nothing. Suzy, your mistake is already done. You just a shout for no reason. If he don't pay you, why you shout? He pay you, now make you shout. Oh, what can I yeah. You know, see that way that they say, lovely, you not get house for Nigeria. After many years for Europe, I carry house and throw away. I say, make you not carry. Lovely, you not the shame. You not get document. After many years for you, you not get document. I carry passport come out. The day when I go see reach Nigeria, and I go bust area. Not be by mouth. Don't they talk. Brrr. Nobody, no woman for abroad. When her daughter with her son-in-law, the day they say house together. It no day. Oribo, now lie you lie. Now she rent house for her daughter for Nigeria. When her daughter with her son-in-law day, now she they can't talk so.
Oh, mo Maria we boy gbe no re ga be dia no carry. E ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e we po on e negbe a. Oh, mo Maria we boy cause o ma una do e ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e we po on e negbe a.
I like this voice. I love this voice. Go. Carry her come. Ah, can she not pay her madam? But she said she pay. Oh yeah.
We only ma combat. Mari. E ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e we po on e negbe a.
We mo were don't mind negbe I on rewebu. Oh yeah.
Cause oma una do e ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e we po on e negbe a. Omo Maria we po igbe no re we po ma se gbe na yo bu we gbe o ma gba yi ina yi egwe e ma ya di wo go no ma ya yan o ba sie ni.
Suzy, you know say people know say na lie you lie for here. Everybody know, even your best friend, all of them know say you lie. Ogo water. Even they say some children when they play they bad gang, they don't want to leave their gang that time. Their mama get the way when they take carry them come for Nigeria. This person, the money to. Okay, I say you not pay bese. Who you pay the money to? They don't stop it bese. It should not come pay again. Another commenter. Wow, no, let me make careful.
Ina yegwe, e ma ya di wo go no ma ya yan o ba sie ni.
Nobody know. Oh, tie. If I knew no maya, you lie. You talk lie. Oh yeah.
Ga be dia no carry picky con. We ga be dia no carry picky con. E mo ya na muri e we po on e negbe a. O mo Maria we po igbe no re we po ma se gbe na.
Uma mu re we bo. O mere Nigeria ma we negbe. Omo mi we ya de padina wo wa. U coin. Wa con. I don't want to insult you, Sha. Oh yeah.
Ave dia no carry pikin kon. We ga ave dia no carry pikin kon.
Very
E
low.
mo ya na muri e wepo on e negbe a. Omo mari e wepo igbe no re wepo ma se gbe na yo wu gbe o ma gba e. Ina yi egwe. E ma ya di wo wo me no ma ya yan. O wa sie ni. Ba be kon ye mi obi oni ma kon ba. To wa sie ni. E le tie me na we mo mi e ma bi go ya di be se di go me o. Agba ku a. Ni ya ne me go ye. Saba get broken o ya ne me. O ma mo ya no mari. No. Obi me be do no e be nera. You know they ask.
Okay, now Queen Bess carry her come abroad. But she said she pay. Oh. You know, 5 years say she said she pay. Oh, it told it. Now Queen Bess carry her come abroad. But she said she pay. Okay, I shall go mama. Any ama pay agba mama ya again I shall go mama.
Because Oma ona do me when you mother thing ye gboto. Na do ka we he. Wa go da phone na. He was one of awe my question gba oge ya. He never asked me money for one day.
I go ask you know.
This one I just dey talk so ma gba turn on.
One commenter say why she go ask you say you no get. Now make she no ask you. Commenters make una let me make heaven.
Now we there now I will support her with any money. No, but me work by worry and everything be a youth of money, me by business. I have never supported her.
Oh.
I don't imagine my.
She have never supported her. She's a failure. Oh my God, I get a headache. Aish. She's a failure. She never support her child. She never support her child for her child to grow up. Now, see the repercussion. See the repercussion. Oh. See the you don't laugh. She never support her child to grow up. Women support their children to grow up in life. She never support her child to grow up. Look at the repercussion now. Oh, yeah, come tell us. That's why you not pay gbese. Now they worry you.
My yebere Facebook. Ere ega be dia no carry pikin kon. We ega be dia no carry pikin kon.
My person na person o. You don't see somebody for Nigeria, Maswen. You don't see somebody for Nigeria. He say he pikin, they educated. The husband, they educated. They are not on social media at this moment. Have you ever heard that? Even the village people, they are on social media. The people that farm. People when they farm now, village people. Papa will say, Larry, my pikin come video here for them. My pikin come video here for them. They are all internet. Then she's saying that, she said that her Dora is educated Dora of her. Now she's saying that her daughter, she's not on social media. She's not on Facebook. Jesus. Educated people. Is she really serious? She just want to talk. When I say now she talk pass. Person when you go university, no day is not socialized. That means that if your daughter is not on social media at this errands, what way we did? So that means your daughter is not socialized. Your daughter not they socialize. Small children they full social media. Small children they go carry phone, they go hide down. Yeah, with life. Your pikin not they social media. Who you they talk to save? More you are talking, more you are fooling yourself. What we ask you to go and do it. As far as you have hit to our the crown tire and the crown crier that we send the message, we give the crown crier the message to come and give to you. The crown crier have delivered the message to you. You hit on it. That means we touch you where they pay you. Now me tell you say, lovely we touch you where they pay you. You are ashamed of yourself. And when we have gone sometimes like Miss we're not going. It's like you talking your anus. Say your child, your daughter, your son-in-law whatsoever. Say they are not socialized. They're not this social. They're not the Facebook at this moment. Even this thing, you get one place. My personal person, you see this village. This thing. When they chop raw meat. What do they call them? Oh, Hansa people. Now this is the people. I say the be Hansa. You know Hansa people. That they chop shit with intestine. They don't enter video. Did they when they bring Coca-Cola for them? They don't know how to open Coca-Cola. Garbage. They don't know how they chop garbage now. You know that people that they chop intestine, they cook out with the shit together. Hansa people. They are socialized now. They don't bring socialized come their forest when they do. Now one village from is it Zimbabwe? No, not Zimbabwe. Tanzania. Hansa. They are from Tanzania. They don't they socialize now. They don't they face camera. The people when they say wait to be on it. They are socialized now. Inside forest. Now Suzy when Pikin go school. Suzy say Pikin go school, even know whether Pikin go school. Suzy when say her Pikin go school, she's not on social media. She's not socialized at this 20-something century. Ogbolikiae. Oh yeah, let's listen to you.
They are not carry Pikin come. Where they are not carry Pikin come. Moya na muri ewe po on egbe a. Omo mari ewe po igbe no ewe po ma se gbe na yo we gbe o ma gba.
You say some people can believe Suzy and their own risk. Nobody when they believe her. Did you notice social media? When you are doing bad thing, they will support you. You see those people that is supporting you at that moment, when time go reach, now they go still come laugh you. Now they go still come laugh you. I don't understand. Nobody, they know say, she know, when she they talk, they know. Even that way enter abroad today. If Suzy they talk, the that will say, nah hina, no gwan. How many years of mambo we like we bo? But when I did Nigeria at that time, that they carry people, they come. Person when enter abroad today, guama for how many years? Me not that like we boy na. Me I want more what me can mure later. If time come. This Suzy pay I buy. This person say she go talk from Victor. From Victor where we talk. See the time when as a mama can't blow your nyash for
Bea. Omo mari ewe po igbe no ewe po ma se gbe na yo we gbe o ma gba e. Ina ye gbe. E ma ya ni wo go me no ma ya yan. O ba sie ni. Ba le ko ye mi o ni ma ko ba. To ba sie ni. E le tie na we mo mi e ma bi go ya de be se ni go me o. Aba go a. Ni aya ne me go ye. Sa ba ke broken no ya ne me. O ba mo ya no ma be. No. Obi me de do no e be nera. E no dey ask. Because o ma una do mi.
Okay, the pikin don't ask you since when you there abroad, the pikin don't ask you money, you don't ask your papa money. How the pikin can't take leave or go on there and enjoy? Ha! Wow. They now feel a mon or if you now you go on there, yo, they can't run come out for house. Can you imagine? Look at what she's saying.
When you mo that thing you go talk. Now do ka we what got the phone now? Was one of aware my positive bow here. He never asked me money for one day. This is what I just talk so my I will support her with any money. No problem. Never to be a youth of money. Maybe that is.
She was support her pikin after 30 years in abroad. Who you they talk to? Here what again? I was in your echo. Or Dimi. This is where they talk now. People when they look you with eye now they like yeah. Yeah,
I have never supported her. I don't imagine Facebook.
Now make
Facebook.
I won't be a Facebook.
I'm aware of him.
Because I don't Facebook. What can I here? Oh, Suzy, that's Mama Suzy. A frustration. Amare remueri oji. Oh yeah, that place.
Pago to gakume. Era me mi yo wa bo wa je do. E ro. Obo magbera bo magbemera mo befa me mo befa. Omo na pie you gbe efe no. Bet.
Now this place they make me laugh. Oh, woman, I bear you welfare no. Oh, money, I'm welcome beer. The pikin when she get belle born. Now she they talk so. Oh, mweko ya biomo. Oh, na na bear you welfare. I wear a bioma you welfare. Did you know oh mona bear you welfare? Oh, well, I pay bride price in no re. Eh? I pay bride price in no re. I do riari. Or riari o wanohe. Or a beer. Your mama will go do a mugo. Ija is so wa. Oh, where my in-law. Oh, where my grandpa welfare wa bieji. Echo where muna. Where ya bear you welfare? Where no mweko. Echo where you come to the story how you take carry belle for social media. You forget to where see boa. Eh? You the smoke it go. I don't understand too. These people. They arrange my this year. I come back where for a very nice Sunday. You make a nidier. My people, my people. As our live video presenter talk. My people, on our way of charge. If you also charge, why don't I really want back? Why don't we don't move your Facebook? Oh. Agbogbo ma do se, baba do se, agbogbo ma do se. Owe kata. Musician Nigeria, esanyo. Kata o haraka na tawi yele. Suzy. Bolo, beva, tite, telege, tebulu, no de, ya. Eriene nakmohi, Suzy. Ugbagba me we just ye. We not the quarrel. Where we start? Cause that place I like him.
This one I just talk so my baba turn on and way now. I will support her with any money. No problem. Work by worry. Negative will be a youth of money. Marry by business. I have never supported her.
Clap for yourself.
I don't imagine come.
Baba Negba. Suzy. Baba Negba. Suzy. Baba Negba. After many years in Europe, Nana Suzy they got that money. After many years in Europe, Nana Suzy they got that money for the pikin when she leave for house. Jehoah lue. They were one movie well like we bonyo work be ye can be really boy masse. Oh masse. Baby is a social mwe. A social mwe. Iya tricky. Oh, masse. Enu wetana. Efune. Igdo wegbe. God tell us story. Agbaka never ba. Awiye awo. Ayo ana agbaka o. Ere na gbona ye o. Wate o. Suzy. Agbaka never ba. A storyteller. Agbaka never ba. Awiye awo. Ayo ana agbaka la to work yan wato. Because this is your story. I like story where we come to tell us story. You see social media now, nobody is doing saga. We are telling us things. Where to where we don't fight book, why now be me. If not, since when you not talk, since I don't see your video carry. Yeah.
I give it Facebook. Facebook. I'm aware of him and Kutana. They're not the years, not the Facebook, not the Facebook.
Why you back here the day of 75 years? Ian when nana young wagon when nana a 75 years old woman and nine a 75 years old woman where he when mother webo when my move and say webo a 75 years old woman go see say why we move at the webo yon wege I when yon wege na ma if you don't know ni e onori ya mi ya webo oh. Oh yeah, that place where you say now this party, this particular one, and no yet tani, I'm not toya teni. That one when they talk, you don't see what you want to night they talk of those one. You see this particular one, this 1 minute this 1 minute now they sweet me. My people, may you list where William list you.
But they are not carry picky con. We're not carry picky con. mo ya na muri ewepo o en egbe a omo mari ewepo igbe no rewepo ma se gbe na yo we gbe o ma gba ina yi egwe e mo ya ni wo go me no ma ya yan
na lie you lie uwatore utore she go meet this girl, this is daughter. She go meet her papa for Spain. She use the man to scatter herself for social media. She go meet her papa for Spain. Then ohoya we here. Oh we our or honey or whatsoever. We will find how we want to carry our daughter come. No. Oh, you say na ya go ni gbina. Ona gbina. You call the throw away spoon, throw away fork, throw away everything. Ona gbina. Oni okbani kerege nya igbinonje. Oni na le ona so wa ene. Emi no kitali mo ko na ri espe. Okwo na mayawe ona igwo ni agbina. Umokwo, you carry woman, you carry man, you carry woman, you carry man. As I was say too much talk. Oni na le ona so wa ene. Suzy say no food for us again. Suzy now you go back to Belgium. Ona kill one shower here. Suzy start a shower again. Eva no na mi. Ebona no rowa. She too lie. She can't lie.
Asiene. Babe ko ye mi obi oni makomba. To wa asiene. Ele tie me na we mommy e ma bi go ya de asiri go me o. Agwago a ni aya ne me go ye. Saba get broken no ya ne me. O ba mo ya no wa be. No. Obi me de do no e be nera.
Oh, you were broke. It's a broken house little girl. That one we well when go, she go enter abroad. Oh, well, see you she go enter abroad. So children enter abroad that time. Oh, well, you irrevocable. If mama say, oh, well, mama there abroad though. Now mama go come get that money, Oh, they get no money. Oh, well, we make big it day. The sponsor go carry them come. Oh, God, I go. You go tell the sponsor that say, now my pikin, I be that oh. I bet old school, you know happen. It happen. You say, now my pikin, I be that oh. I know just they call carrier. Oh, God, I go. You call your friend say, see oh, you're live web bo. Who carry a call? Don't call them. I bet go. Man, we go. I get more money for inside house. I bet anything if you get Holland so anything where you get all here. Oh, cookie go ni cook be. You go use and take carry pikin come. You can't tell us story. I will say your pikin, oh boss oh boy. Oh boy te la we bon moins fifoi.
No. Obi me de do no e be nera. You know the ass. Because oma
sister comment away now why me or say wa ma me de no bi wa. E wan takele no. My darling, you don't laugh. You no gets. Na me kan. You see this social media, as I did this as I did this social media for years, I will say get where it reach. My children, no, they're not going to hear of my children again. People for they say, see how lovely where your children. Your children don't they live with you again. Lovely where your children. Your children don't they live with you again. Lovely government don't collect your children. People for the talker. People for the talker. He get one person. He say, Mama, he never to tell when he dey watch video. He says it's when he did video. He never see my children. He said one day he come here say, my children, they take out and say, so who now? He said, no, say I get children. I said, yes, I have children. Even one comment I even talk. He there. My daughter is 23 years. He's still there with me for a year. My first daughter. My second daughter is 20 years. He's still there with me. My son completes 18 years. He's still there here with me. If people, you feel say people will get mother now, people will get children now. You don't say they go love to watch me. Or we book na here you go. You say now all people their children they with. Even people when they collect their children self, if they look me and say, lovely children still there with lovely now. Wow. You just play, come and just collect you. Bang, come they talk. Tell us story. I tell you, say now abroad for a year. Or I will say again, if you may have school, no for that they use the occupation till they work. You don't read the time when they go marry. If they marry, they don't start to dey born. I don't arrange her. I go do a mugo. I go my Torah house. Yeah, I want mugo with her. Now on Facebook, they will never come out to Osalopa. May we last. The man last, he will bossa. You will see, and they'll say, lovely, this foolish woman, you don't get grandpicky. Foolish woman, you don't get grandpicky. I say, me will be foolish woman, don't get grandpicky. Oh, they'll say, now wow. I will day. That time, not in my house, they go there again. They don't take their house. The women went there, they don't take their husband's house. The man went there, don't get to your house, marry. Not so. I planning. That they plan life way for children. A life in a Suzy man planning now. Hey, Suzy, do you know you're correct? You cannot correct it. What is correct, eh? You know, okay, where is you winner? When my you winner, here they invite everybody. People that bring people in Europe. Where are Yamuni and Live with their working contracts? Now they take the carry. When I saw it, they go work and they go, here you winner. Ayo. Oh, what was ye? Oh, we are over. Each young people when they sleep for house. Each young people when they sleep for Osusu nya wawe de Osusu no wawe manage. Nya wawe de na 1,000 euro Osusu. Nya wawe 1,000 euro Osusu all gather for good 1 year. 1,000 euro Osusu when he made they gather 10,000. 1,000 euro Osusu na gather for 1 year. Oya the ticket ya in the na ya mu egile. Iyon utu inene iyon na ya mu no ade webo. Fun no what's your ma obi we no fear lelu what's the grand pikin what's your ma moye luggage you for carry a rich luggage put am for inside luggage if you reach inside this or put am for handbag our me handbag go work bolo you go risky am put am for handbag I know why you say I want no see money take carry am come na make me risky am you know they go prison they check the DNA test they say na your grand pikin you know also you go show say that pikin na your grand pikin put am carry a big handbag carry that your pikin inside use am take cross. Egile ya there I dey go Gbobayi want go buy egile. If I see your pikin for Gbobayi market, I also reach Nigeria. If I see your pikin for Gbobayi market, make him move your camera. When my me, my tige a new binoa, my tige new bini. That time now you go no say, people know me for bini. Yeah, well, obvious son. Hey, see this obvious son. I think I get here. My man, my no I relax today. Today is Sunday. When I get what they do, I don't go day here like this tomorrow. We wake buffia. Aya.
Oma ona do me we mo da fin ye gboto. Na do ka we wa go da fun na. Wa so no ba. O my question.
You know the shame. Your Benin sisters, their daughter, husband, they can't come abroad. Ask. Out of, let's say, 10 Benin women. Ask. Oh, where I carry my son-in-law enter abroad. Son-in-law go talk say, na my mother-in-law, na he carry me enter abroad. Or they ticket in me. He did.
Okay, yeah. He never asked me money for 1 day. This one I just talk so my baba turn on and way there now. I will support her with.
We know now all of us they discuss am. I beg, I will put account number. Make una donate money for year. Now you support to be Suzy. After how many years for Europe? Oh, we are here 2,500 euro. You don't get 5 million naira for Nigeria. I renew always ikoto. You get 4 point something. Nana, I want to gather money. Give my picky. I want to gather money. So, hell, now. We bought the ticket out in Nigeria. I had to leave it 2 weeks. 2 weeks. This woman should not get plan. Or I'm not getting any plan. Not getting a movie. What we in Nigeria with 2 weeks? What we in Nigeria with 2 weeks? Now she want to plan. She don't hear us now. Do you know the women when they talk? My ruin name. Awa okpokpa or de by my ruin. Ono yak by ruin from Victor. Maggie. Retire with me. Now we send out this sad message. In tie blood. Iki moran. Victor say your make carry children enter abroad. Uya deli ezili korobe Nigeria. Uya deli boga ibobo varie egile iyon akiko oiwe ya dele. When Benin person if he dey Europe, they go use back take carry iyon con give am. Me I be person when be say I not too like akiko like that. I not too much they like am. If not, here wa murevi ice block. Here wa murewa block. See one woman when they Germany. Here wa muje. I say wo ye block all the way from Nigeria. I go still block. On the way munoraveki. Go to United Kingdom. United Kingdom. They don't they from Nigeria cook soup. They go United Kingdom. You get one person who says this soup. They import and come. Soup. Heavy.
Support her with any money. No, but work by worry, never will be a youth of money, merely by business. I have never supported her. I don't imagine.
Oh, where am I supporting one day after 30 years? Oh, after 30 years for Europe. My support of your after 30 years. Europe, unu no wo ayadi emi owori eji again women. Now this is March, now daughter they buy meat put for that her daughter soup. Worry. Na Canada wa mu worry na. Worry Canada. You say my darling, worry. My darling, worry Canada. Then look at you Canada be America. Then look at you Japan worry. Ere wa ya domio wo do yo hani ola wari emi owo without omami omiowo. Kino say you do. Can you imagine say na 91 gather mommy? Na 91 gather mommy. Oh life. Oh life. Oh life. Mama Suzy. Oh life. Da-da-da-da-da. Where you come to Europe many years ago, you never planned to bring your pikin. You see us live, they turn you upside down. Today they give us story where we see the put. Today just see the put. Melizzy, come see for me. Sit down, put. Menyanekia. Sit down, put. Menyanekia. Ethiopia. Ethiopia. Menyanekia. Ethiopia. Honey, where was it? Ethiopia. 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 Can you imagine after how many years in Europe? Now you they settle your picking. I want to cry for Suzy matter. I want to cry for Suzy matter, my people. Everybody waiting with Suzy come for Europe the Satan. They don't settle their children. They don't settle their children. All their children, they're different place in this world. So they Canada, America, United Kingdom, Italy, Netherlands, Germany, France, Spain, Turkey. So they Turkey safe. About Hona settlements. It don't when other settlements is not come again, no settlement. Oh yeah. Oh, can you imagine? On actual gay sekwa. My Benin people everywhere make seke. Everywhere is sekeri. Yatere no ba yo, no waya tie yo. Oh man, no ba. Yeah, only where mama we no ba yo na ya tie yo. Oh, we walk by water. Umuelega. After 30 years in Europe. Now you want to settle who? Who you want settle? Hey! Oh! We don't dey laugh. We not gonna know I want to laugh again. We don't cry. Hey! Yeah, oh yeah, girl, we don't start again. Because laugh don't collect us laugh. They say I too they laugh, my people. Me I call they laugh for another one. She want to settle her Torah now after 30 years in Europe. Well, but we not say that. They say I will say na supermarket. She still feel open for her picking. I go be big supermarket. You don't come take her advice now. She won't go open waiting supermarket. Not here, kidding.
This one I just I got it no carry picky come. We got it no carry picky come. Mo ya na muri ewe po en egbe a.
Don't deceive yourself.
Omo mari ewe po igbe no rewe po ma se gbe na yo we gbe o ma gba e. Ina yi egbe. E ma ya ni wo go me no ma ya yan o ba sie me.
They say na lie.
Ba be kon ye mi obi oni ma kon ba. To ba sie me. E le tie me na we mommy e ma bi go ya de be siri go me.
First he write for you, he say, Mama. He write for you, he say, Mama, you don't scatter Facebook this early morning. He said that they give Suzy woto for that side. Make I read the finish. Nobody just write up for you. He said, Mama, this early morning, you don't scatter table. He said, wait. He said, Suzy, day life. He said they give her woto, not be small this morning. They give her woto. Now wow, you copy this one again. Okay, this one now my sister. I say, Madam, jealousy go face on force on you life. Now wow. So I'm just there here. I'm just here. Something don't take place for social media. Me I check who they here again. Oh, oh my God. I lost my head. A bridge fun. Evelyn. Okay, this one another one. Okay. Water, not there everywhere. Yeah. He said that they give her water for there.
Ni ma kon ba. To ba sie me. E le tie me na we mommy e ma bi go ya de be siri go me o. Agwago a. Ni aya ne me go ye. Sabi get broken no ya ne me. O ba mo ya no ma be. No. Obi me de do.
Can you imagine? He said of her daughter to ask her money. If her daughter broke, she's already used the word. If her daughter broke, she know they ask her. She'll go ask outsider. Because your pikin know say you are a failure. Now they go ask outsider. Say if her pikin broke, he says hello boy girl broke. Who broke? Now they go ask money for outside. Her pikin know they ask her money. She they go ask outsider because her pikin know say her pikin go. No, say her mama na unu naite buy meat put for inside her pot of soup. Now make she not going to believe her mama again.
You know they ask because Oma ona do me when you mother fin ye gboto. Na do ka we he. What got the phone now? Was one.
No matter for you yourself. Other fair, no, as you be so other fair for Nigeria say you go call you law. You go say my in-law. I've everywhere get as it be law. You go say my son-in-law, no worry. So father-in-law they give their son-in-law money for Nigeria because uji are your own egbe. Now they say they give person something when you give respect, but when you don't give respect to anybody, nobody is going to answer you. You see her, all those one when Suzy don't they talk, Now medicine after death. She's already a failure. She don't fail. Yes, she not even supposed to stay this platform. Make she go arrange her pikin first before she go come platform, come they talk to people. She's a failure. Who is going to listen to you, Daddy? Everybody went there now. Come down, that's say, Mama Suzy. Now my lovely, they will do like this. You say, you know, the shame. After many years, see what she come to talk.
But I wear my cosmetic bag here. He never asked me money for one day. This one I just talk so my baba turn on and way now. I will support her.
Who? Mawuwa, Inuwa, old school or new school. Because the ground where we dey now, old school don already arrange their children. There is no old school pikin when you go cry, come out now say, my mama no arrange me. If your mama carry you come abroad, go school. If you go school finish, go dey work. The mama don already arrange them. So when they old school, 30 years abroad. New school when the new enter, so now 10 years now, so now 5 years now, so now 7 years now. You are a failure. Walia can go. Iona, wakan zekube. Ebegia can go work kigo no more, no way. After you have spent 30 years for Europe, who don't? When mammy, I bet clear your mouth. Umami rinuta lawa. As la mama lawa talk.
With any money, no bome work by worry, never will be a youth of money, merely by business. I have never supported her. I don't imagine come and yemere Facebook. Ere Facebook. Ama well be yemere kutana. Hon de not the year, yours not the Facebook, not the Facebook. Are you getting me, my people? Ama bien. Me mave bio mo pa no be ka go doga kume. Era me mi yo wa bo wa je do. Ere ro. Oboma gbera bo ma gbe me ra mo gbe fa me mo.
Lare, we no rent a 2-bedroom flat for your pikin. You rented a 2-bedroom flat for your own Dora. I wish you have house. You for no rent house for your Dora. You for no rent. You no get house for Bini. Now I make you rent 2-bedroom flat for your Dora. Then your Dora no get house where you want enter. Emma wa no hian lao. Where you want enter. No get where you want enter. You dey come the shot. When my team will be well like but do you know what you are saying? Benin people when they carry their children come abroad, they get house, they carry their children come abroad. You can never see Benin person when carry the kid come abroad when no get house. Like or river, Jonathan. You know they get house.
River. Oh mon apia you wear a fair no. Let's oh,
ọmọ na bia ọmọ nu we mwe ko bie. Ọmọ nu we mwe ko bie. Nu we aye rapa no solo amuwowo o we hana. As you take care of this pikin, you forget the video. But go solo. If you never delete am, we'll go solo and bring am come out. Ọwọ ọmọ na bia you we fe no de kenefeye. De kenefeye. Eko wemu. You not come tell us the story for social media. So you don't forget Nana. This Suzy. Oh, Suzy. Oh, mona bia you wefe. No, mona. Oh, monu we bia you will say no. Because you where have your money. Now your mama rapa. Now your mama give you. May you take carry that pikin. Rapa. You use your mouth to talk where you sleep. Flats. You know they will share safe. You're not even supposed to talk when women are talking because you are a failure. You are fail. I want monabia you were no. Or monueto when not working when not they now once night you fuck. As you fuck once, you can't get belly in an hour work and go your papa house, go your papa house, go your papa. If they still drive you for your papa house, you still go where they gave you belly. They'll still drive you for there, you still go where your papa house. Say you even talk his story safe. This one not see knocking picky. Oh moi ye be or a get get no one be getting you say who say no one be getting ye ya say na who say or again say ye who work qua here akamu we su ya bis we isole fois Or you know, my momo love ya pakamuyo monu gudu. Not like this. Hey, gudu. Ya can walk out there because anyway, ya bomo. Omo where we be you wefi. Anyway, ya boy na. Hey, we know not that yeah. We don't see na. Now be said that yeah. When he reach us, we can't get boyfriend. One hour day, 1 hour for kia. Oh, mama day kia. Mawa mekeni mawa say. You know, mawa mekeni mawa say. Where you go? You say you don't see your period. If you don't see your period, you know, say get some lady when I talk for Bini 130 time. What I say, I love you. See what carriage dear. During this Suzy matter, I will still talk there. Wire road. Do not know that wire road. Now wire road that they call at that time. You're from that Pege and come. You go enter road when you go for enter Tezame road. Do not know that road. Now you know say one they come for New Benin side. One they come for wire road side. That if you carry a reach ground, you don't reach this Tezame road. Then that one you just they carry that one they go. Mama can only beg you see why me now. Wami may not be yao side. They'll say, lovely, you know Bini. Come maybe with you reach Bini. You don't know whether I know Bini. May he can or more damn him. Yes, okay. Thank you. That place, that the hospital, is there this side. You they go Ring Road side. People say that motor they make from Ring Road they come. Oh, lovely. You see, I love this still no road. Man. As I did Bini people, now my father will tell us, oh, now we are do, and they follow Bini people, they waka. Both boys and girls. Yeah, they will use itabate cookie bowl. I'll tell you, I know they'll use igbote cook beans. Make it the bawali beans. Make the bawari beans. A beans in why you gole. Now I fuck out of the fire. If now I don't for those people say lovely, I want to be friendly. You don't come put it go for food. You know that hospital. That hospital they yeah. If you're from Tezame, if you don't from Tezame Road, you don't enter. Come on for Tezame Road, you don't enter like this. You just go straight. No say you feel go this side or now two road. Either you go this side or you go straight. You reach New Benin side. The hospital they here. We don't see fair go there go remove pikin now. For who you want born pikin can't give? Who you are all now Asemota for Ishaland. Asemota is a Benin man. He was in a work, he's a doctor. He was in Ishan. The man don't see advance now. If you never maybe you don't retire, go back to Benin. He did Ishan for do doctor. I say, but if you get belay, you now say, but they help you, they remove one. I see some people say, hey, lovely. When I say, yeah, say, motare. You see, remember, I say, motor. You see, remember, I say, motor. Now, dear, or why don't, why you don't see get boyfriend, you carry belay, who bury a wire road. If now, Isha, now you there, you get belay for Isha, who will bury me now? I cannot know where I'm a wamu. I be see now, as you born the picking now. We went. We not born that year now. We not see born picking. See the picking when you born now. You know big picking now. Who was about a life now? You go out back on social media. This is medicine after death. A medicine after death we watching now. Yeah, I mean now those one the twakamu yo monu. Awa momo. Awa bakamu ni yo if the bottle where am if the bottle no re na again. The feed the bottle mat go come big. Yeah, they come cotton. So that they are making a treasure. We see this kind of people. Oh my God, fuck, man. We see the way me why that they call mukiera we mugijere. Woo. Where? Where it go reach all guys go just bath. Put kito for leg. Now no kitos this thing na slippers. Put kito for leg. Why ikpe kito? Me I ikpe kito. Hey, una no kito na. Me I ikpe kito de kito ya rain. Me I ikpe kito no mo ga fwa wo ku we sa lue. This one don't wanna he dan. Odo agbagba you can send me message you egbe ran where you dey craze to where dey yetia. Etin where they your love wena. They send a message to Lovely. They mad. Time life where they live that village life where you live. Now you see put your own daughter or your daughter mate all of the day Canada. Who goes to finish go Canada go take their masters. There's some go United Kingdom go take their masters. Some go America. They come they tell who you they tell village people for social media. Are you kidding? This is 20th century. This kind of life where you they live. So nobody will make one make pikin live. Now me they talk to. In the way they train, I they train my son for academic. Go and ask. Say, in why I train no more academic. They mad. I they pay my pikin school fees for academic single-handed. They come here come they shout. You don't know how to plan. Work what plan? You come social media come they shout. Come social media they shout. Nonsense. What's this? What are you putting on your table? Where are your table? Oh, even when they roll one now, my 3 children went there here. Sometimes if I want to do something, I say, Mommy, don't worry, I will support you with this, I'll support you with this. Imo, that is that other houses now, so that they ask some mother. Say my pikin want to travel out now, go country, another country. Say my money no rich. I can't scratch it. Before you know, who even they travel the travel safe, you go put me. Say, Mommy, put also money from my account. I get money for accounts. No, what are you telling? What kind of bullshit is this? Why are you people telling us life when people say it cannot move you? Go future. You see my son, If he want travel sometimes, say the money went there with me, he not rich. My son will say, Mommy, I have money. He there here now. He'll say, Mommy, I have money. I make sure say I put my children for a place where people say, if money really say now 2,000 euro, for inside this house, we will bring the 2,000 euro come out all back. Since I there here, I never borrow money. May my borrow go all back. They come. What did you put in your child? You want to talk to me? Are you kidding? Are you crazy? Where? My first daughter is single-handedly follow a bumper to bumper. When he go we can't cook or you know you where. Or we can't cook you now. If I tell my pikin now say, Mommy, I need 5,000 euros. Say I need her. I want to collect her from my pikin hand. Or you may. You go transfer and enter my account. You go say, Mommy, you were there. If my children they come and go work, who they go school, they from school, come and go work before they go consult. Sometimes they go miss their boss. I go stay. Some people they say me sometimes they say, Mama lovely, never sleep. I say my pikin go play football outside country. If now Belgium now go play football, I go wait till they go come drop him. When I hear say you don't enter house, I'll come to say bye-bye. You don't feel arrange your children. You like what kind of bullshit advice do they give mothers? What's this? What's this? You do not the shame. That is how a child that is going to 40 years. Where God say it isn't I'll let you talk past. You know, come they talk to me. The other day they say, if you see Angela big way, Angela big way. For your correction, point of correction, my pikin no be Angela. If you see how he come for bicycle, now when they say one commentator say, you don't ever see lovely children, you can't even see where they ride bicycle. Lovely children, if you see how in fact where may I agree, say I want to see my children. You see my children lekba like me. You lekba like me. Not the shame. See, and now you pikin of 40 years. Now you they gather money for. Now you they gather money for. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are still your life is like you see there inside Igogo. The way I see you, are still inside Igogo. Igogo weje inside Igogo. If you go come too much, you can't comment. Where you again? Now remember that time when people say Awa mi ngena ya leva we ukoni. I ngena leva we buy. You know when the rainy season you go they cook for inside kitchen. You know say in the dry season you they cook for outside. Correct, not they for again. We don't say you get where you know say for rainy season. Sometimes you know see kerosene take cook. You know that time we have this thing. Not those stove now. I know that stove that time will be like this. Some still they when you get bottle that time, that long one. You know? After that long one, that 4 corner can come out. The day when you know see kerosene buy for rainy season. Me, my brother wait the Lord. My brother wait the Lord and say, oh, I say kerosene don't finish. Me, this is go. My brother will say, if you I go throw away the wood, I go scatter around. I said, no, not be me or me, I don't feed. My brother will say, if you like scatter, just patient. Me when scatter would I say go back and come. The filling station way in years, you know how many times they go check whether they don't bring kerosene. Now you they consider life when you they or a channel me doctor oh. Maybe grand picking a bebube. Say no can't children young bebube. See the kind of life when you they see at your age, 50-something years old woman, you spent 30 years in abroad. You left Nigeria when you did 20-something years. Now you don't spend 30 years for abroad. See what you are telling people so that they will come and live the kind of frustrations life that you are living. I wish you were well comfortable. You will not be talking like this. You know, because they advise people with this kind of nonsense life. When I advise, they mad, they can't talk to me. Oh, you are mopa, where move in Nigeria no suffer. Because they talk to me when single-handedly stay by my children. You they crazy. You know, yesterday as they talk and say, my first daughter, if she says she want to buy house for Lekki, she go buy her. Oh, okay, I only go that, but I can do why Lekki cash. We use them for discussion yesterday. We get brain. You go step-by-step brain. No, you sit down for there. It is saying that's lovely. See, you know, this I sit down for there, they run up and down like the way one think they run up and down like crickets. Gather money together. Now you want to gather money together when you want to go to give your pikin mate do business. Shame on you. You are a disgrace. Your mate when their children, when they carry their children enter abroad that time, some now auxiliary nurse, some now doctor, some now accountant, beneath children, beneath women children for abroad, some accountants, some get salon. Sit down for your agbolikiae. See waiting you they use your mouth they talk Suzy. God forbid. God forbid. You not even feel wake up. And now, if they want to give you care come that and so they take the do. God, because they choke. Area, that's a life. Oh, yeah, Mobweji. My way, God forbid now. You will be more, we may, or do I suffer. Not the shame. Now, what do you go? And you say, Mona bear you work a richness. Oh, what do where you are? So te quand spoil picking, any way area moins 7 naira. Again, why area moins 7 naira. If you reach anything, you might be 7 naira area moins. 7 naira no ga. 7 naira when we go carry enter market, you go use to buy pints that time. Now not those pints. Now you go come like say get small ho. Go see go see go. Now no Anna. Go be like get the way we won't be like napkin. You can't get see me. Am I there? Oh, you can't tell us we can move here. Your mark can me. Oh, Toto, we will lamu.
Bye. In a year, where if I had to walk here to walk by the solar year, we are doing me solar went back. Me my way to the Yamu.
You not even view us. How can I say you go get solar? When one we can wear solar, yeah. Ekmanku na your mate the viewer by this time to see how backward she is. Ekmanku. Now Ekmanku na your mate see the viewer by this time. When man say Nigeria, Ekenuje 600.
Do we? Because monya one solar ero. Oh, we say e all my concern way. No, we are doing academy make my way solar you're like him mommy more way bogu way. Be man no get am my people be talking am me go dollars. Or give me boy. where be born where. That is the reason. She said, Mrs. She needs to stay in her husband. So when he bought no, you will just word on who back over to her mother. A marriage in the two no ye leg.
None of your mates, when he build house, give a pikin and a husband, they carry their children come abroad. Now talk, you just they talk. You say maybe you they talk. How to where it be like bitter cola. Your talk be like bitter cola. Bitter cola, the way it take the sound when you cut it, not be if they chew and not be so they be. Anyway,
And a relationship of educated people, I'm going through yo. Are you more boggy pafia yo?
Educate or educate? I go of you were educate, eh? Your pikin for not in Nigeria. Your pikin is a sat illiterate. Sat one for that. Am I educate? Or educate on amwekoa. Well, let me use bad word for your child. Or we were educate on amwekoa. Or we were mweko. Did your daughter marry before she got pregnant for her husband? Or before her husband pregnant her? No. No. But you say your pikin go school. Instead of the time we wanted to celebrate his graduation, now that time, now you can celebrate pregnancy. Enter.
Your daughter who will remain blessed forever. Amen, my darling. Thank you. Are you getting me?
Pikin where you want gather money for now, you hold the bless, remain blessed forever. Bege day. Where even pikin self come they tell your husband say my mother will carry two of us. Now they don't both finish and the man say niente. You when no feel your mama no feel carry na me your mama go carry. It's yeah.
Oh my time me tetemente. Buya water fiye we always kuku. Why na we because my daughter na very timid person. Be timid whatever ni we kuku. Now that kind of person she be. She not just like me, boy, no what different. She's a very different person. Who carry my character na be the momo. You want me momo many. We are going to play music. Okay, no. Ugbe me wasun. Na very dija sabi. Now one time you tell no say.
Area waka we no read this grand pikina. Area waka you know ya re obi no hero wana ni na iviena. Now people they say she no carry her pikin come. Area waka ya reroni. Can't reach today now she dey cry now say the pikin no enter abroad. You don't see start for her grand pikin body now. Make you listen waiting she go talk about her grand pikin. We rerona fisan. We no ya rero we fisan. Or we re grand pikin. God forbid.
This one I'm on Suzy blood. I have a ve. Who pa we awayan. On you say grandma no. Ya video not do to me or where I miss grandma. Eh, but no they did they touch me. And I miss her too.
This something they touch you. You go touch you now. Ah we boy you nana. You because mommy, when are you coming to Nigeria again? We move where? Some children go tell their grandma, Mommy, where are you coming to United Kingdom? Mommy, when am I coming to visit you in Netherlands? Oh, Mommy, when am I coming to greet you in Austria? Oh, Mommy, when am I coming to greet you in Italy? You see, oh, Mommy, when am I coming to greet you in Belgium? Yeah, oh, now. You're picky. When are you coming to greet grandmother? When are you coming to greet us in Nigeria? Oh, where to where what did you Your mates, they waka go from you, call they waka go back. Now the time they rewind you. I bet talk another one again. Maybe we consider do life.
Too much. When my wife will come out, if I can't they cry.
Video na like be. Oh, any agberoto. Ona saga, precious man, saga. She like put for precious man head. Nobody answer her. How you back by for na lawa. Rita, when she says she not go talk to, she go meet Rita. Rita, you work by my work back here. Rita, you work by my work back here. Work by my work back here. All is sagging. Where about him?
Because you can imagine the kind the way they give me they do safe.
You used to do
Check.
You go use it to do yeye because you be yeye grandmother. Hey, yeye grandmother working now. You are yeye grandmother. Your maid they carry. You say, mommy, please, can you take me to playgrounds? Mommy, can you take me to playground? Mommy, can you take me to McDonald's? Mommy, can you take me to Kimbap Zoo? Mommy, can you take me to this place? Mommy, can you take me to this place? Oh, well, now you go use it to make yeah. Because who we go be a regi? Who we go? How you see rent more? Mommy, smoke don't enter my eye. Mommy, smoke don't enter my eye. You see that little girl, is sharp well. Oh, Suzy, I pray make that pikin no deriye when the Suzy ya deriye. I pray for the granddaughter not to do go back because of your honey plus or unu never the Suzy ya ru. Oh, grand pikin.
Imagine the kind jeje wey they give me they do safe. Thank you, my darling Monica. Thank you. You can imagine the jeje wey they use me they do safe. I can't ask if I ask her what is my name, you go say grandma. Later, if I ask her again, what is my other name? You can't go look at mama. Your mama can't tell her, you can't tell me say.
Amina.
Mommy Suzy.
Amina, me I like stories. See the way when I take posts, the listing. Now this blogger like blogger, Boss Lady TV. See the way me I like just die.
Suzy. Sexy grandma. Here we hey.
Suzy, sexy grandma. Oh. Oh, why you know why Allah le be kita? Oh, say kita not the bath. Let's say now you carry and come bath. For pussycat, if you use hand, they touch something we know like we do like this. You go clean body. See, and just give a bear hope. So this is not giving yourself hope.
Here we hey. Oh, I be a kind Are you getting me, my darling, amazing people? That is it. If you prepare,
we they get you. We are your amazing people. Amazing pray. Suzy is talking. Amazing pray. Suzy. When I was young, when I'm old, we are listening to Suzy. Oh, Facebook I don't make pupu ya ke homo. Ya rete make pupu ya ke homo. Pupu ya ke carry Facebook ne.
amazing people. That is it.
I want sleep. I bet.
If you prepare to wait, build house. Your pikin call the marry for your wife. Your pikin call the marry for your. Look at my granddaughter voice yesterday. I'll be playing it.
Now because you not carry your pikin come, now make you rent apartment for the pikin for your pikin when he with his husband day to day. Now make you rent apartment. Yeah. I will say you carry your pikin enter abroad. Wait till concern apartment concern your pikin. Your pikin yourself is there abroad. Your pikin for not they work now for many years. For many years, but you become a long. Or you can't you work on. All I clean my ear where. All I clean my ear where. Sassy grandmother picking one talk grandma. Why? Otana. Me my mio. Why? You want to listen to what grandmother talk, granddaughter talk.
Again and again. Wanna listen?
You said what?
I miss grandma.
You miss grandma?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, what does she know? You miss grandma? So what do you want me to
Suzy daughter say, oh, what does she know? Yeah, it's a touchy mood. Oh! It's a touchy. Oh, please, can you help me with something there to wipe my eyes? And you give me water, please. I need some water too. Get me a glass of water. Because if they cry, tears they come out for your eye, you go they drink water. Hey! Oh, what touch you? Oh, I touch you on now. Oh, I touch you already. Oh, you ready? You went there. I touch you on now. A graphic where you mommy don't go. I touch you on now. You ready? Oh, yes, this is when I touch you. When I touch you, yes, this is look my eye where I be your mama friend for Facebook. Oh, sorrow. Oh yeah.
You miss grandma. So what do you want me to do now?
I miss Grandma.
You miss grandma, she call her. Oh yeah, wait, I'll call her for you. Wait now.
He carry from mama go pick her for school. He say me.
Oh, Juana, shut up. Oh, some Benin woman will come say, "Where Juana?" Oh, where's that them? Where's that them? Where's Suzy? I don't want put number. If I put number, call her. They go call her. I don't want put number. We know say this is mature women to mature women. Let's just iron it. Immigrable. Is it immigrable? This one is consequence. I want to use that English. Consequence. Ah. Seriously? Oh. If your husband people there, if he has husband be baby father. If you people they look at it, why you be you? Oh, yo, when me say grandma, oh, this what they pay me. Oh my woo avie, my woo avie, Suzy, where I go. I am here where I woo come. Me just go come the cry now because the time when you come down now, me you talk. Me am me vie. Ah, where my woo ma vie. Musician, elle je veux. Oh, elle bona. Hey, que te neguille. Oh, et que nous vissons sur mama mama Suzy. Bona, you there? We there cry, my darling. Man, tell me I don't cry again. Our market. See, you dey ask me house market. Now, Suzy, you come as our market, not be me. He come up for us, he can't pick it. They cry. Offspring of a lion, don't they chop cassava? Offspring of a lion, don't they chop akpu? In there, don't they bury me, offspring of a lion, they say, you know, they chop grass. Suzy, now all this offspring of Suzy, Horiku. Oh, I'm only see. Say to you, episode 2, I'm marketing.
Carry from mama go pick her for school. He say he miss grandma. If mama say what? He say I miss grandma.
Now the grandpa go they say, Mommy, when are you going back? Yeah, only two weeks no gbe. You not use five times they see that picking. Only 2 weeks. I will say Suzy stay with that picking 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. If you they go now, the picking will say, Mommy, thank you very much. You spent 3 months with us. Oh, grandma, thank you. You know, can't they cry? Anyway, I don't know. If you see my pikin do this, my pikin do that, my pikin do this. If I want to carry my pikin go, na America I'll carry my pikin go. Wait, I will use my pikin do for Europe country. Na America, if I don't carry go Canada, I carry go USA. If I don't carry go USA, I carry go Australia. If I don't carry go Australia, I carry go Japan. Area Ajeyase Nanya. Now the day today now. No money yarowa. Always so a big grand picking. I am not listening. How market? He said, "This is how market." I too go dislike that woman. She she too dey brag. That is why I do not like her. Yes, she's lying. She lied too much. All he made they go grant, they go do Omugoha for abroad. Who they go greeting? See that lady when they UK. Well, you know what? One thing I don't like that lady. That lady, when she entered the social media, she can't say she don't know how to read. If you go see that lady now, she dey read, she dey learn. That lady say she don't go school. As he reach abroad, you see her mate when they carry pikin go school, come abroad, she still learn. Every summer, the woman go travel from United Kingdom. She go Italy. She'll go play with her grand pikin. Then she'll spend holiday for them. She'll still come back again. Now, Suzy, they disgrace herself. Suzy, if you carry and go this place, you know go see where place and put. If you carry and go here, you know see where place and put. If you put them for up, no place to place it. If you put them for here, no place to place it. Because you know arrange where you want put your pikin. Now, you come they talk. Oh, play the little girl.
You know what? He say, I miss grandma. You see the happiness in me.
Which happiness there in you? You don't hear your pikin voice, your daughter voice. Your daughter say, oh, okay, you know, see her? Because you do go back. God forbid. Where your happiness is? Which happiness? Where? Your mates want to enter abroad together. Their children not their house. Talk like say, na grandchildren go come to Nigeria.
On a master, me I got that ticket every month. You have money, you baba de bab.
Who can get ticket now? Every month you supposed to buy ticket because why? Umaiti muya like webo. When I even near ya where there's also 1,000 euro. Who ya the ticket area Nigeria? Where mama? Ehwe mugwe. We marebo we go boro. We bo maiti if I told you where uzuwa. Before that your pikin born, you there with this oyibo. You know if you invite her come. The last time I check on when you can't call me that time when I the saga that woman went there this thing. What did you tell you say if your pikin finish school you carry and come abroad? Because you say at the saga Okbaka. This what you call they enter her body. See your shame and disgrace. Whether on a man say you can't ya ticket in Nigeria dead who you they tell Idari. You're not even supposed to even they buy ticket they go Nigeria safe. Like maybe as you dey Belgium so your pikin dey United Kingdom. Now Europe country or anywhere now you for the buy ticket they go Nigeria. So na man say make na ya ticket in Nigeria dead. I want say we now there yo. Even woman when even dey Nigeria self. Like for example say he dey Akpakpava. He pikin dey DC. He pikin dey DC. What Ring Road. Or he pikin dey Okoro. He no go dey even they enter motor every day. They go greet the grandchildren. Now once in a while. She's too local. She's too the local, my darling. She's too local. Now localness, now make her not know how to do it pikin. Very local.
That they ticket every month. You have money, you baba de bab.
He pay you. He pay you. Oh, you know what he talk, her market. She say she want now she want gather money now. Make she take settle her daughter. After how many years for Europe? After 30 years in Europe. Now she still did this video. She said she want to come gather money now. On a disgrace. On a who this one they talk to now. I don't know Google. If they want more, they go listen to this one. Wait till they go collect for this one now. I get grandmother. People, I be grandmother. People be grandmother for Europe. Her mates, they be grandmother for Europe. Her mate, they are grandmother in Europe. Now Nigeria granddaughter. Now you they call they talk. We're gonna say, oh, a granddaughter to Nigeria, a granddaughter to Nigeria, a granddaughter to Nigeria. Why your mate get granddaughter for Europe? Who doing? Ah, wanna? Ah, mwe bona bue. One person thought just now say you no pay gbese. Say your madam na queen best. Queen best na madam be.
Baba. Your children is your priority. You see the voice, I miss grandma. Person not allow. Now so you carry mama phone will be good depressed. Mama say, you say miss grandma. That mama say, you say what? You say I miss grandma. You can see. Are you getting me?
Now so
now
everything where you just write. Now she knows how to speak English. Now she knows how to dress. Now she will see they call herself a galaxy, a grandmother. Because you know when our village, this woman she has spent. Do you know that this woman has spent over 30 years in Europe? She still had this kind of dairy character, village character. Can you imagine? After how many years in abroad? Look at her grand. Not to just to the talk. Ekaphobia, uhephobia, enwephobia. Or you can need your way a lovely care say, ma. You said the time one they do say, you don't come. Papa Scarp. He said that you go laugh. Oh, well, boy, you're not the way winner. I said, don't be all, you go let that one. He said, Mama, you know that time now. I said, Mommy, I know. He said they watch us that time. He said, I said, you want to go peace? He said, he go laugh. You don't come. Papa Scarp. Oh, well, he said, Ekaphobia, uhephobia. Hey, how do you mean? That woman want use laugh taking me. Ekaphobia. Oh wow, no ga yere ke na na duvi. We no wegeleta where ehwe mwe. Oh well, who now Benin people you want they give advice? I be who?
come out. Now so the husband come greet me before I come out. You know say you work back when I wear ma. Have a say triple. Why echo?
You know waiting, my darling. You know say who they talk to for this social media, people will talk say now lie you lie. Doing social media where they put for her say that they make money, People come they feel say now true that they make money. They don't make any money. Only money when I go talk say that they get. As you did now you say, mama, give me your account, make I dash you money. Now that one. You say, mama, me, I they always talk. I don't get what they do not they social media. I know they social media say now social media money now want to pay her rent. Now lie. When they from Victor, when no way life is say, from Victor still they go walk. They from Victor all you winner. Bizugbe, are you winner? Also you winner. Yeah, the Facebook could do me this. Facebook could do me this. Facebook, I don't say now lie the lie. Wait till you carry come my Sukabe. And Sukabe go pay, you go come back, but when finish, my Sukabe go pay you 2,000, you go pay me 2,000, you go pay that one 2,000. How? My Sukabe will just pay everybody. My Sukabe, okay, where my Sukabe want to see the money pay you? You don't get factory where they produce something. You just did there. This internet said that this Facebook self. Now we self, now we they pay money for internet. To be honest, not be internet at the blow since. You know how much I pay for my internet every month? I have internet inside house. I have internet outside house. If I'm going outside house, I will switch on my internet. The internet I have inside house, if once I open door, I just make 2-step, the internet go make you don't off. I will switch in. Now my domot, now my internet rich. Who is spending money? You spend internet for your phone. You spend internet for your house. Now the people when they get internet, now then they make money. 4 of us when we day house now. 4 of us when we day house now. We get internet for our side. Did you know how much that leave this house every month for internet? You know how much? Then you want to say my Sukape and I they pay. They are using it to make money. Now my Sukape self still the gainer. For this internet when they see so, my Sukape get room for inside. The company of this internet, you get percentage when they give my Sukape. Because now this Facebook now it make us they use internet. Without Facebook, What it concern you concern internet? The one you plug for house. Now the internet, YouTube, what they work for your television. There is some program. If you have television at home, when you have television, you don't have internet. You cannot play YouTube. Everybody know that now through internet, now YouTube they work. Did you get it? They collect money for our hands. As I did here now, they blow my internet. So, baby, last year, your internet now 60. This year now they go add money on top. If you add €1.50 on top. You know, so they always they add on top. Let's say my sugar give me 2,000 euro. My sugar give me this one. My sugar. Did you know that my sugar pay tax? They pay tax. You see this Facebook tax. My sugar they pay. If you go pay tax, finish. Do you know how many country when they use this Facebook? Do you know how many tax my sugar they pay? My sugar will come pay tax with them. My sugar will come they pay now. Fabrica. Baby say if they produce tomatoes or they go transfer the tomatoes, go another country, go sell them. Come to my supermarket here now. Things for Italy, they my supermarket here. Things for Spain, they. This my brother went did this. He said there is no, he got one of my girlfriend. He said there is jacket when his husband they wear. He said now this country, and therefore do the jacket. He said, you know how much it be? Shoe when some people take they work, all those shoes when they sell for Amazon, when people take they go work, let that land, they produce half of that shoe. They carry a common for this country. And they tell some they don't know, they don't have that idea, my darling. That is why they are sick in their brain. And when they see that you are smart more than them, they will be looking for irrelevant word. Can they track? You know where you decrease, not the this one. But you are intelligent more than them. They don't know anything. They argue something, you don't say argue. You see that way that they argue, they go on for it, and if you go on, you say, see what you they argue. No, they argue again. You don't argue anything. If you they argue now, at this 20th century, when they argue something, another person when they with you, you go search out for internet, you go tell you say, see, stop arguing. Don't be stupid. Like me now, I can never argue with any person. Instead of me to they argue with you, I will go and search it. Everything I do, I search it. Anything when I want buy, I dey search it. If I go, I go search. If I read, I go tell me, carry me go the website. Then I go buy what I want buy. You know the shame. Your old grandchildren, your old grandchild cry follow you. Before you know now, you pick it go born another one again. Now so they'll they cry follow you like, what are you saying? Say Bapo.
Cool. Why agree or we wahala? The day when me see people can't give me drink, they carry culture that come. He was there. He said, children, nowadays, too sabi something, Only.
She's too foolish.
Or sabi be. Or sabi be, my people. If you believe that me, yeah, sabi be. I say, we are with me.
Wait till we tell her so. Now you make her call they told this story. My people, now the first time when she they go Nigeria be that. Is it the first time? Now the first time. We tell her say, may go carry children come. Now she come now, she can't be fool herself. Where we are telling me, I am married. 3 or 4 of us now, so we tell her. The day when you send message, go give another one. I go say, shut up. They say, may you go bring your children come. Why they shout? Now I make your head come bust now. Wait till they talk now. Like, there is nothing she's going to pour on her social media at this moment that people is going to take. Yeah, when they, she's talking, let me take her advice. Who is that foolish person that will take this, your dairy advice? That you have left your child for Nigeria for almost 3 decades. And you don't leave your children. Who want to take your advice? Say, okay, where are advice? Nigeria. Madam, as I guide my children now, they Europe, I can't tell them, say, make they go Nigeria, make they go, they born for Nigeria, make I go, they carry grandchildren for Nigeria. God forbid. You know the shame. Go see United Kingdom, UK, every day. See all those comedians, see all of them, that they come UK, they go, come UK, they go. We're not going 30 years, so we were mighty in Lao. Fuen. Stop giving an excuse.
People look at me. Yes, a big bear. See, we are with me. Ogi sabi. I come bath. When I bath finish, mama no, the mama they go outside. As I bath finish, that was last week. I called the use cream, take the rub. I felt telling us, "Make one with me." Ibe wa mo epu eyoto. Me na wo me na wo kono are.
Oreta, this woman, she spent years in Europe. She cannot compose herself. She's too local. She can't compose herself. Look at what she's saying. What are you saying? She want to where she can't wear pad. Now he got us. He say, wait, make una here. Here for the horses mat.
They go maybe man second man record the next we make the social media. We very man recording. When I come back finish, I can't do it. I just pay back finish. What did I tell you? I just
he say they believe Ekpuwe for grant. People follow you their house when they want to record the Ekpuwe bring on social media.
Could wear my part, fix my part before I use cream up. Now my granddaughter say, Grandma is very bad. Now I say, No, I say no, it's Papa. I say no. He say I live here, Papa. Grandma is very bad. It's not a pampas. That is a pad. Hey! Anyway, I quote it anyway. Ejewiri na lareme.
Liar. Kalai. I go TJ. Quick change here because he knows say don't talk say her mama live with her. I go TJ. As if he say don't lie, because say he because now that particular place, I say we can pinch. He said the pikin mama not dey house. Then later he say he's a Titanium where in I coat TJ. Because she be quickly remember say she felt to say her mama not dey house.
Anyway, I quote TJ anyway. Ejewiri na lareme. Tota. Here we are in Mobu, Tennessee. Total go made you dog man day. Very important, very expensive one.
Which should you want to give your pikin? You will not fit carry your pikin come house. Which advice when you want to give your pikin when your pikin go take? You will not fit carry your pikin come house. So if your pikin want seek for an advice now, no be person take care of her. I think that child grow up with your mother or something like that. If your pikin seek for advice, she will go and ask the person that brought her up, the person that take care of her. She will go and seek advice for her. If your pikin truly need advice, now you want to give her advice. Whose advice you want to give her?
Expensive one, total. Anybody no when you be no man, you gossip.
Look, instead of her to talk say, any one we can know you where or when no million one we hear ya gossip because who work queen he don't take PhD for gossip. He said he tell the daughter say whenever you want to gossip somebody that your daughter know that is her grandchild now that you should use another name that her children don't know. You should use that name to do that gossip. See advice when you say you want to give it pikin. Go ahead. Oh yeah.
When you be no man, you gossipy. I worry pa, cause we may hear now we may no pay. Oh yeah.
Okay. Work gossipy wa ye. Oh you were nechere uwe no pay. A grand pikin now one second do one. That means say you people you are just one kind self. A biri now, una don't be one kind self. Your daughter do it to you. Your grandchild do it to you. That your grandchild is still practicing it now because we're in wow. I beg you, don't get what you want to talk. Now because we tell us make carry pikin come abroad. Oh, now walk by a bena. Or that leg pa. Now they vomit for body, they leaky body. Just say 4 people tell us say you know the shame. Your pikin they abroad. I tell her, Maggie tell her, Victor tell her, retire me tell her. Now she can't vomit for body. Now she want clear air. My darling, Not worry, we never reach. If the time when we will get grandchildren, you go see our grandchildren. Ekin wedona. You go see our grandchildren. If time reach, your this dirty one, I don't show one. This dirty one.
Kami yera we. Ika we jeri e phone on 50 euro we must say Nigeria.
Boss
lady.
Boss lady TV now one for you. Oh. She dey on the young way when I'm a picture no in measure. When the men don't down her, when on the young way see boss lady. On the young way when I'm a picture no more in measure. So, oh yeah.
Now I'm wet. Oh, you know, when my mommy used to say that you always ask 50 euro every time. Or I say, Mama, you too like a geometry. Geometry, my
50 euro. No, yeah, like we about 30 years now. Can't reach today. 50 euro, you send. Okay, I send the 50 lady. As $50. Can't reach. You do a 50 euro. Oh, one no egg person when that is the person that is not coming from your home. I will rigo kia. 100 euro. Oh, well, may I just give this person money? I say 50, and I say 100 euro. Say 50 euro too small. Do you know sometimes when you want to give somebody something, your body go to shock you. Your mind go to say, they buy. You know, if you want to give people something, you have joy. A K50 euro na you do. When on I had to K50 euro, area British Okpaka ye had to K50 euro. Area mama ye boy ye had to K50 euro. Oh.
So my darling, or the real baby ye. So, and I can be general with your kind of fione. It's your fione. You know where you're going pardon or going. Did you know that no colors where you go tell and say which color is this? If it's pink, we say pink. If it's red, we say red.
My sister found another TikTok. Not be Europe, they look at what you are saying. Look internet now. If children they go school now, they have bus when they take they go school. Here I'm a boss. I arrange a buy you work with boss in here. Any Maya want there any my darling. You go at any Maya deva. They give us money to buy bonds. You go buy bonds by yourself. If you close for school, you see people when shade bonds, chin, all those things. You just buy you know. When you go to internet now, you see children now that they carry food, they follow them, flash, they follow them, they go school. Again, Maya ye school, amamwe flash ile lima. Awa rigo nwe. Rigo nwe me ya deka wa se kenu kana deka. They will pack coins put for your hand. You don't fool. You yourself, you don't know how much coins be that because we are small. I will recess. You know, say that time they still did recess. For our school that time, people they can't sell for there. Sell rice, buns, all those things. Do small things come. Bring this thing, you know. Fry plantain, you know. They'll come put on for school that time. You come buy that ice cream. I know that ice cream that year. Now when they tie, we make boo. You call the soccer. On a say, okay, you want to tell us now, say, your grandchild, where they paradise. When we're watching now. Who speaking at this age when you don't know, when you don't know color. All picking no color. Blue, black. May I call Cathy now? May I tell Cathy, say, what is this? He go say, meow. I will say, well, you go, no, I tell carry Cathy come. Or you both they train their dog. They will say, touch black. They don't already show them black. They go touch on black. Touch green. They go touch green. Pet. I'm a well one. One of you cannot use school. You wear school.
If it's white, it will say white. If it's black, it will say black. If it's brown, it will say brown.
Suzy found another talk. As far as pikin they go school, no color. Where I am your tata. This to make go carry pikin call. Yet I body oh. Yeah.
His ashes will say ashes. He carried ABCD from A to Z, and he carried 1, 2, 3 to 50.
Ash color, you say ashes. Sack, illiterate. Sack. Okay, a sack you want no ekbo illiterate. Ashes.
No be saying and go come. No be saying and go come. You go ask her in name, you go talk and go talk to papa.
This Nigeria where it is so that woto where she receive it too much. Chai pena. 3-4 people now give am that treatment or like be or it dey me de now one way mama okay oya mu ne egileke in Nigeria re wi bobo we nu we high. I say I don't come, say don't come. I say as I enter this I see say they come on a where in come long all you pimples wearing black all of them come show gap face come show that saga enter because when she dey leave I tell her say if you dey come back now you still leave your pikin for Nigeria enter now you might be na I know enter my message is from the direct from my heart. Yeah, what tight side.
Name Jonah. Very, very smart kid.
Why not?
Obi any mama anyway. Obi any mama.
Why not smart before not
Everything about that baby. He took it from
why not smart before not they go school? Who took it from let here?
his mama and his brother because if he were carry me. In fact, you know, he grab it.
Are you smart? Why wait to make your daughter in Nigeria? If you are a smart woman, the woman that they are smart, intelligent women, they bring their picky come Europe. Their schedule they do, they schedule anything they want to do, they schedule it. Over 30 years, you never have schedule. And you never have your daughter in your schedule. Your daughter not there your plan. Over 3 years in Europe. Your daughter not there your plan. Just like if somebody want to build house now. The architects they will go there and draw a plan. Have you ever seen a house? I draw the plan before there is no toilet on it, no kitchen. The plan when your mates don't draw for years. They don't forget that one, they do another thing. Now you they fool yourself. You miss it. Don't get scared. You just they schedule things. Women me now, women gender.